Hey guys, a few of you had questions on how to add a table on the TI nspire and also how to edit that table. So I figured I would just do a short video, which would be the easiest. You guys can come back to it if you have questions or need a refresher. So home screen, I already added a graph, but you just do graph. I added this equation just because I knew from class, which we will see on Monday, that there is the domain restriction x equals 5. So we're actually going to find the limit of this function as x approaches 5. So I typed in that equation. Here's our graph here. All right, so the quickest way to add a table is control the letter T. So there is the table there. The default is it always starts with x equals 1. If you want to change that, so I just said the limit as x approaches 5. So when your highlighted cursor is on the table, hit menu. Option 2 is table, and option 5 is edit table settings. So click 5. Start wherever your x value of your limit, so x approaches c, so whatever your c value is, so this case it is 5. Table step, that is how many values between your x points, so I always do probably 1,000th. Hit enter, and notice at 5 is undefined, and we can look one above and one below, 7.999 and 8.001. So the value that would be between there would be what? It would be 8. So if you wanted to get rid of your table, highlight so that you see this black cursor. If you notice when I do this, there's this black outline around here. If you click on your graph is outlined in that black box. Once it's outlined again, you can hit Control T again and it removes your table. If you want to see your table again, Control T, it'll pop back up, and unfortunately it refreshes. So just to highlight, menu to 5. We wanted it to be at 5. If you hit the tab button, it goes to the next one. We said 1,000th. And looking here, averaging the two values here right next to your point you're looking for would result in your y value being 8. So the limit of our function as x approaches 5 is in fact 8. Hopefully this helps. Let me know if you guys have any other questions. Thanks, guys.